Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Wipro, which is hiring for the fresher candidates, they are conducting a mega off-campus drive for the 2020 pass out as well as 2021 pass out batch candidates. Okay, so you can check here event elite off campus for the year 2020 and 2021. Job description, the overview they have mentioned like elite national talent hunt. Okay, so this is basically elite national talent hunt for the 2020 and 2021. NTH is a fresher hiring initiative to attract the best of 2020 and 2021 engineering talent across the country. The objective of this initiative is to enable an equal opportunity for the employment to the most deserving talent from computer science, information technology, information science as well, and circular engineering streams in India. An enthusiastic engineering candidate should not miss this opportunity to be a part of an exciting journey with the Wipro. Okay, so eligibility criteria: education, 10th standard you should have minimum 60 percentage and above. For the 12th standard or diploma candidates, you also should have a minimum 60 percentage and above, and in the graduation minimum 60 percentage or 6 CGPA or equivalent CGPA to 6 or above as applicable by the university guidelines. Year of passing 2020 and 2021. Qualification required: BE BTech or 5-year integrated MTech, ME MTech. Branch of study: all streams allowed except the streams from fashion, food, textile and agriculture. Okay, so except these branches, all streams are allowed to apply for the batch 2020 and 2021. Designation will be project engineer, and compensation CTC they are providing you 3.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, so if you want the salary details, in hand monthly, how much salary they will give you, I will create or I will make one video separately on that. If you want, please tell me, I will make video on that. Okay, like how much salary you will get monthly. Service agreement will be applicable for 12 months post joining, 75,000 on pro rata basis. Other criteria: maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. Between your 10th and graduation, maximum of 3 years of gap, education gap is allowed. If you are having suppose 4 year of gap, then that is not allowed because this is mentioned here only. Should be from full-time degree course recognized by the central or state government of India. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in either 10th or 12th or degree. No backlogs or standing arrears are allowed. A candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any another country. Bhutan and Nepal national need to submit their citizenship certificate. So those candidates who belongs to Bhutan and Nepal, you need to submit your citizenship certificate while applying. Selection process: every eligible candidate must go through the online assessment. Below are details appended for your reference. There will be an online assessment which is of 128 minutes, then comprising, it will be having 3 sections: aptitude test, then written communication test. After that your online programming test will be conducted. Okay, so for the aptitude test, logical ability, quantitative and English, that is verbal ability. Duration for this will be 48 minutes. After that written communication test, it includes essay writing. Duration will be 20 minutes. So don't take this second test, written test, lazy, because there will be an essay writing and you need to write an essay within 20 minutes. um, if you press backspace, it will count how many times you have pressed the backspace button on the keyboard. Okay, so please be careful while giving this test. Okay, on then after that online programming test, it will be like given two programs for the coding. You need to write the coding in any programming language, and duration will be 60 minutes. Candidate can choose any of the programming language for coding test, Java or C or C++ or Python, as per your preference. It is entirely the responsibility of Wipro to permit or limit the participation of each candidate in the Elite National Hunt 2020 and 2021 recruitment process. After passing the online test, candidate will have to go through a technical interview and then HR interview. Okay, then they have provided some information like what is illegal activity, legal activity, fraud, like that. Then if you face any issues or if you have any query or concern, please contact, or you can send mail to this mail ID with the subject line Elite NTS 2020 and 2021, and you will get response within 3 working days. So guys, please don't miss this opportunity. Like as I said earlier, 2020 and 2021 pass out batch are allowed, all streams are allowed, and yeah, this is all about Wipro off campus drive. So please apply, click here to apply for this, and thanks for watching this video.